Hey y'all, Shep here. This particular trailer is a bit unsteady, and I've actually lifted the tongue clear off the ground while loading it. My solution is to use some scissor jacks under the back corners of the trailer. I'd prefer that these jacks be removable. I'm going to design some brackets to hold the jacks when I need them, but still let me easily remove them when I tow the trailer. After measuring the distance to the frame and the size of the brackets on the jacks, I get to work designing the mounting bracket in CAD. A few hours later, and I've 3D printed a solution to my problem. These are made out of solid ABS, which should last a long while. It's a small quality of life thing, but I think it will make working in the wood shop trailer a bit more pleasant. Until next time, be well.